Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nisi, the beauty icon. So today I'm going to show you guys my client getting a silk press for the first time. She has just taken some braids down and she wants her hairs to be straight. So watch this process, guys. So of course this is the before shot. We detangled it, we shampooed it, we did a deep condition on it, we rinsed it out, and now we're in the blow drying process. And before I blow dry, I always section the hair off in 4 parts. I also use a blow drying cream with a heat protectant. And the heat protectant acts as a barrier between the heating tool and the hair, and it seals in the moisture and also eliminates frizz. So it's always good to use a heat protectant. Also, it keeps the cuticle smooth as the heat grows across the hair. So now that all the hair is blow dried, we can start with our flat ironing. So I always use my 1/2 inch flat irons across the neck area. The little shorter parts of the hair around the hairline is where these short flat irons are needed. So now I'm using my 1 inch flat irons and I'm following it with a comb so that the hairs that goes through the flat irons stay straight and are evenly smooth. Also, you want to make sure that your partings are small so that you're not grabbing too much hair at once, because if you grab too much hair, the hair won't be straight all the way through. So you want to make sure that you're doing small slices as you do your silk press. So here I'm just going across the hairline to ensure that I get every strand that I could possibly grab and smoothing it out evenly. Now that we're finished with that, we can go ahead and start trimming her ends. So now that her trim is complete, we can go ahead and get ready to style it. Now she said she didn't want any curls. She wanted more body. So we're gonna just add some big old curls in her hair. Or as some of you guys say, we're gonna bump the hair. So off camera, I did use 2 drops of the Silk Infusion oil, and that was all the oil that I used. And you see how silky and shiny her hair is. So here you see me spraying some Straight Request Stay, which is a spritz form that I use. And you can use it for either a light or a firm hold. It does really well. It also makes the hair shine as well as hold. So I'm just doing it so the curls will stay locked in. So here you see me grabbing the hair, and I'm going to take the flat irons up and then bring it around. I'm doing that to ensure that that part has volume, and the higher you take it up, the more volume you'll have in the hair. So here you see me using the last step from Straight Request. I really love this product because it doesn't take much for the oil to sit on the hair. I actually spray up above the head, not directly on the hair, for the oil to sit, and it leaves their hair looking healthy and shiny. So you see how bouncy their hair is? And my client, she loved it. She didn't want to smile. So I asked her to smile and she told me no, guys. But you see, I got it out of her in the end. So with the finishing touches off camera, I did go over her edges with some edge control just to make sure they were soft. So we did go outside to do some recording and take a few pictures, but you see the wind was working against us this day. But you pretty much got the idea. So I appreciate you guys so much for tuning into my channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit your post notification buttons for more updates. And don't forget to share it. Share it, guys. And I'll see you guys next video. Thank you so much, and you be blessed.